Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So for the first thing, you have to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card. But if you don't have SIM card on you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step too and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services. I suggest you to disable them because they just stole your data and that's it. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Or just don't do this at all. Then you have these Motorola features. Just disable all of these too because they are going to stole your data too. Then tap accept and continue. Then you can allow notifications from the Motorola, but for what purpose? Just tap not now one more time. Then you can enable Motorola to send you spam on your email, but I suggest you just to tap not now and not now once again. Then you have this new navigation method tutorial. If you don't know how to use this gesture navigation, you can get to know with it here. And your device will be ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.